Welcome to the beginner's course for Lightroom CC. Whether you're just getting started in photography editing or you just need to brush up on your Lightroom skills, this course is going to cover everything a beginner needs to know to advance their Lightroom editing. We're going to cover all aspects of Lightroom, including importing, organization, customizing, and even setting up simple things like watermarks. Then we're going to hop into the develop module where you actually create your images, and we're going to show you exactly what each slider does in the develop module so you can see how they affect your photo. We're also going to cover filters, profiles, presets, snapshots, and everything that involves editing your image. Next, we're going to cover some advanced editing techniques like creating a panoramic image, an HDR image, as well as hopping into Photoshop and then back into Lightroom. Next, we're going to cover collections and how to create collections, rating your images, and even 4 real-world examples of how to edit different photography styles. After we cover all of those aspects of Lightroom Classic CC, we're going to hop into Lightroom CC and talk about that version of the software along with the mobile app. This course has over 5.5 hours of content, 33 videos in total, and also has exclusive downloads like sample images and Lightroom presets that you can install and use on your photos. If you've been wanting to learn the ins and outs of Lightroom, this is the course for you. Head on over to sleeklens.com for more information about the beginner's course to Lightroom CC.